Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell laptop driver. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. Then click on support and then click on the drivers downloads. Then you can see enter the service tag and serial number if you know. Otherwise you enter the model number Dell 14 plus 2 in 1. Select this. So this is your laptop and you can see there are two methods to install the driver. First, automatic, just click to check the update, so system will scan the required driver. You can see this, then after that you can install. Otherwise you have select, so just click on the select the driver, then by default selected operating system. Scroll down, click on categorize. This is microphone, Wi-Fi driver, storage, video, all driver you can see. Then guys, scroll down. First audio driver, extract Realtek audio driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see one download in the progress. So wait few seconds to complete, then I show you how to install. So it is completed. Click on Realtek audio driver, then click on yes. You can extract, otherwise you can install directly. Just click to continue.